In the countdown to retirement, strategy is your best friend. Imagine a portfolio where 20% is in equities, 50% in bonds, and 30% in cash. This isn't just numbers, it's your shield against risk while still inviting growth. But don't stop there. Diversification is key. Think US large cap, small cap, international, and emerging markets. It's about capturing opportunities and smoothing out the bumps. Healthcare? Plan it like your future depends on it, because it does. Early Medicare enrollment, Medigap, and long-term care insurance are your defenses against skyrocketing medical costs. And let's talk taxes. Health savings accounts, strategic withdrawals, and annual rebalancing aren't just tactics. They're your ticket to tax efficiency and retirement security. Remember, bear markets are temporary, taking about 3.5 years to recover. Stay disciplined with rebalancing to avoid emotional, costly mistakes. This is your 5-year pre-retirement strategy, crafted for financial confidence and peace of mind.